guys, today we're going to be installing some mods. The hot racing shocks and some brass wheel spacers, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so before we do anything, I got my tape measure right here. I'm going to measure the ride height from the ground to the fender. Alright, so in the front we got about 2.5 inches, and in the back we got about 2 1/4. I'm doing that to see if the shocks will lift it or anything. I'm not sure though. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright. First thing you want to do is obviously remove your pins and then lift the body. The easiest way to take the back off is just take the 2 screws, one right here and one on the other side. Take those out, squeeze them, and the body comes right off. Alright? Alright, put the body to the side. I like to put my screws back here so I don't lose them. Alright, first thing you want to do is start off by taking the wheels off. And you will need a 4mm socket. Let's go. Next, just take the wheels off by simple. You don't even need the ratchet, they're not that tight. Take the screw out. Don't lose those little tiny nuts. You're never gonna find them again. Oh, that's the first wheel, and then whatever you call these things, I don't know what they're called. Put that to the side. We're not gonna be using that again because I'm installing the brass ones. I'm not sure if this pin's shorter. I think it is, and then because the weights come with new ones, so we're gonna be installing those as well. These parts are so small that they're very, very, very easy to lose. No, they're about the same exact size, so I don't think you need to install the other ones. They're just so small. Alright, I'm gonna take all the wheels off and then I'll be right back. Alright, once you have all the wheels off and these stock spacers off, all you're going to need is this is a 0.05 hex head screwdriver. I got this from Harbor Freight. That's all you're going to need, and you're going to take off this bolt right here and then this one down here. Let's go. So we got the nice shiny new ones. They come with new bolts. So in the shock itself, one side is flat and one side has a little divot in it. So that's where the divot side is where the screw is going to go, and it's going to bolt up the flat side to the chassis. And compared to the stock ones, they seem to be the exact size. So I don't think we're gonna see anything difference in the height. Any difference in the height. And it's the same. And then you just take it and bolt it back down. That's a hot racing shock installed. It seems to be taller than the other side. And obviously that one's, the spring is stiffer. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of them. Alright, now that all the shocks are done, we're gonna put the wheels on and the adapters on, whatever, spacers, whatever these are called. Make sure that these pins haven't fallen out. And these just go over and slide on. They're supposed to just slide on. Throw it a little tight. There we go. And just do it on all four corners. There we go. And then the wheels can go back on and the body can go back on, and we're done. That's it. Close her up. Well, after you put the battery in it, and it's all done. Well, one last thing. Let's measure the height, minute height difference. So 2.5 is in the front. Not really, no. It's actually almost, wait. It's a little hair tight, taller. Yeah, it's about a hair taller. There's about 2.25 in the front. Now it's, you can just see. Now it's about 2.5 in the back, and about 2 3/4 in the front. Cool, and they look a lot better. Hopefully, they perform even better. Thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next episode where we're going to be installing some links and installing fabricating some sort of hitch for a gooseneck.